Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Perforce Helix Core is a version control system that is widely used for managing source code and digital assets. Creating a workspace, also known as a client, is one of the first steps when using Perforce. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of creating a workspace step by step and provide code examples along the way. Step 1. Install Helix Core Client. Before you start, make sure you have the Helix Core Client, P4V, installed on your machine. You can download it from the Perforce website, https://www.perforce.com/download/helix-core-apps. Step 2. Connect to the Helix Core server. 1. Open P4V, Perforce Visual Client. 2. Connect to the server. In the P4V client, go to File, Open Connection. Enter the server address, example Perforce 1666, and your user credentials. Click OK. Step 3. Create a workspace. 1. Open the workspace/client specification. In P4V, go to Edit Preferences, then navigate to the Workspace tab. Alternatively, you can click on the Workspaces tab in the left pane, right-click on the Workspaces section and select New Workspace. 2. Fill in workspace details. Name: give your workspace a unique name, example my_workspace. Root: set the root directory where files will be synced on your local machine, example c/perforce/my_workspace. View: specify the depot files to map to your workspace. For example, this maps all files in the depot to your local workspace. 3. Save the workspace. Click OK or Save to create the workspace. Example: creating a workspace via command line. If you prefer using the command line, you can create a workspace using the P4 command. Here's how. 1. Open command prompt or terminal. 2. Set your Perforce environment, if not already set. 3. Create a workspace. Use the following command to create a workspace. The above command creates a new workspace specification and outputs it to a file named workspace_spec.txt. You can edit this file to set your desired parameters. 4. Edit the workspace specification. Open workspace_spec.txt in a text editor and modify it. Save the file. 5. Submit the workspace specification. Run the following command to create the workspace using the edited specification. Step 4. Sync files to your workspace. Once you have created your workspace, you can sync files from the depot to your local workspace. This command will download all files from the specified depot to your local workspace. Conclusion: you have now created a workspace in Perforce Helix Core. You can start adding files, editing, and versioning them as needed. Familiarize yourself with other common commands like P4add, P4edit, P4submit, and P4delete to manage your files effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.